Got it?
No, she got her foot out. Okay. Look at her hair.
Gracie,
Kathy. So cute. You got her foot. Oh. No, that's not it.
Oh.
Jake, Dominic has his helmet up. I know, we're almost
Oh my
done.
goodness, Grace, this is tight. Wow.
Oh, that was stretched out the head.
We got
Okay. Gotcha, that's really tight. Oh, you got some lotion on the back of his leg, Kim?
Take his hat off and let him go under. He has to go on. He's so excited.
Oh my god, he's gonna go under!
Okay, here he goes.
Hey, you want me to dunk him? You gotta pretend to like, or show him to hold your breath.
Roll the face.
I don't know, blow in their face, I thought makes them breathe.
No, makes him want the whole thing. Do other fun.
Okay, ready?
Ready,
JC?
1, 2.
JC, that was a really...
I know, I just wanted to give her a tester report. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Don't be coughing when I do that.
One more under.
1,
Like
Hurry,
this.
2. Was that not fun?
It's great.
Okay, guys, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, all 6 of you guys stand there.
What?
That is so funny. She likes to swim.
Did you get her when she did it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, JC, look at me though. Shane!
I like slicking your hair back.
You just like doing things you've never done before. Look how excited she is. Hi, Shane.
She got a mouthful.
Did she?
For some reason, Grace just happened to be holding her breath when Kim dunked her, but she was breathing in, so you don't know. You don't know.
Well, that's why somebody said blow in her face. I thought that
I gotta keep
worked.
up with her laughing.
When you blow in your face,
Yeah, JC, try this. She loves to be
Well,
thrown.
an alert parent would recognize you.
No?
He goes,
I don't get it.
I know. Well, I think when we first... Get.
See? No? Not into it? Alright.
You want me to try, JC?
Sure.
I mean, clearly because I made him laugh, too.
Are you gonna hold them both?
No.
Where's John?
Let me get her ball. You like you just in the bath. It's fun.
Yeah, see, I usually I'll take water, just dump it right all in the machine. And she loves it. She goes nuts the whole time. So I don't do it like she's not like it. I think she would love what's going on right now.
bring it back. I'm scared. Wait, look, look at me. Look at
Big old snot. Yeah. See you now later, mama. He's kicking too.
Yeah, she's the one that is like the most sensitive, and we put her underwater and she didn't cry. Our other babies cry.
Oh.
Okay.